Did you know that when someone constantly accuses you of lying, cheating, or being selfish, they're actually confessing their own sins? Sarah discovered this dark truth when she started writing down every accusation her boyfriend made. He called her selfish while refusing to compromise on anything. He said she was controlling while tracking her every move. He claimed she was emotionally distant while giving her the silent treatment for days. But here's where it gets twisted. Every single thing he accused her of, he was doing himself. He called her a liar while having an affair. He said she was bad with money while hiding a gambling addiction. He called her dramatic while creating chaos every single day. This is projection warfare. It's psychological torture disguised as concern. The abuser throws their own shame onto you like a hot potato, making you defend yourself instead of questioning them. You start believing you're the problem. You even start acting out the behaviors you're accused of because the constant pressure breaks you down. The accusations aren't random. They're confessions wrapped in blame.